wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best magic bullet sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the 11-piece MBR 1101 has a pleasing shape and an amusing see-through design, so you can watch as it works its magic. Just add your soft fruits and veggies, press down, and in 10 seconds or less, you'll have a perfect smoothie. It comes with a stainless steel cross blade, and the cups and lids are dishwasher safe. However, it struggles a bit with harder foods. At number 7, the 6-piece high-speed mini is one of the most compact and portable models available. Now you can chop, mix, blend or grind just about anywhere on the go, from home to work or at your hotel. It's a value-priced option that includes 1 blade and 2 containers. This is a smaller version of the original unit and easily fits into a purse or bag, but it's not powerful enough to crush ice. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the deluxe 25-piece offers a comprehensive, versatile way to tackle almost any blending or pureeing project. It has 3 blades, making it suitable for use as a traditional smoothie blender, a juicer, a milkshake maker, a small batch soup processor, and more. It includes an ice-crushing blade and a pitcher that can store several batches. However, it's not suitable for chunkier dicing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for magic bullet sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, be the envy of your co-workers or fellow gym goers with the MBR12 blender mixer. This high-speed system will effortlessly chop and pulverize fruits, vegetables and more into smooth purees, and it comes with a recipe booklet in case you run out of ideas. It includes 2 blades and a powerful 600-watt motor, but the cups aren't stackable. Halfway up our list at number 4. If you're mainly looking for a way to quickly prepare food for your infant, consider the Baby Bullet, which is designed to do just that. The 20-piece set comes with 2 small storage jars, so you can make several meals in a single batch. It features a large 8-cup capacity and a milling blade for dry goods. It's made from dishwasher safe and BPA-free plastic. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want greater control over the texture of your creations, try the NB-BX439 Select. It has 3 settings: pulse, blend and crush, and 5 speeds: whip, mince, pulverize, whisk and puree, so you can get the exact consistency you want for smoothies, sauces, dips and more. It weighs around 8 pounds and is a 9-piece set. It's the most versatile of the product line. At number 2, for just about everything you need for basic blends, go with the nutribullet Pro 900. It packs a powerful 900-watt motor into its little frame, which makes it strong enough to break down even the toughest of foods, allowing for superior nutrient extraction. It offers a simple push and twist operation and includes a flip-top lid for straws. It makes 32-ounce drinks in 30 seconds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, hailed as the most technologically advanced system of its kind, the nutribullet RX N17-1001 is powered by an impressive 1700-watt motor and breaks down foods of all types with ease. It can make cold smoothies as well as hot soups or sauces in seconds. It features a vented pitcher for making hot mixes and a 7-minute heating cycle button. All 3 cups have built-in handles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for magic bullet sets, or simply click beneath this video.